The first thing I did was create a folder in my drive. I titled it Mrs. Marshall's Class. This folder has inside of it a different folder for each of my student groups. Now, my student groups all happen to be different continents just to go with my classroom theme, but if you had team one, team two, or red team, blue team, that would also work. What I do here is inside of these folders, I post things that I want them to work on as a group. For example, you'll see that I have produce compound sentences, use subordinating conjunctions. I've been using this mostly for my language lessons. And what I do is I literally make a copy of the lesson that I presented to them. I make actually 7 copies or 6 copies, and I put them one in each of their folders. Antarctica is me, so I tend to just put things in there for myself, but a little bit more on that later. Next, you'll want to go to your sharing settings. So you can click down here, click share. And what I did is if you click on advanced, you're able to see all of the different options. I made this on the link, I turned the link on to anyone in Ceres Unified School District. So my students have logins, so they will all be able to see it. I don't have to share it individually with each kid in each group, which has been nice and a really great time saver. So I just put anyone within Ceres Unified School District can view, but I want the kids to be able to edit these, and they're copies, so they're not going to be messing with my original lesson. So I want to make sure that it says can edit here, or they won't be able to do anything with the lessons that I send them. So then you click save. You notice that your changes have been made here. Now that means each one of these groups will be able to access and edit anything inside of any of these folders. Later, I'll change the settings for my folder because that's more for me. I don't really need them editing things in there, but more on that later.